What if the universe is more than just physical matter? How might quantum physics change our understanding of spirituality? These questions open up a fascinating area of exploration where science and mysticism intersect. In this video, we'll dive into the world of quantum spirituality, examining how the latest discoveries in physics might relate to age-old spiritual concepts. Let's start by looking at the basics of quantum physics. Quantum physics is the study of how things work at the tiniest scales of matter and energy. It's a field that has revealed some truly mind-bending aspects of our universe. One key concept in quantum physics is the uncertainty principle. This principle states that we can't know everything about a particle with perfect accuracy. For instance, the more precisely we measure a particle's position, the less precisely we can know its momentum, and vice versa. This inherent uncertainty challenges our everyday understanding of the world. Another important idea in quantum physics is wave-particle duality. This concept suggests that particles can behave like waves, and waves can behave like particles. It's a strange idea that goes against our common-sense view of the world, yet experiments have shown this dual nature of matter and energy to be true at the quantum level. Quantum entanglement is another fascinating phenomenon. It occurs when two particles become connected in such a way that the quantum state of each particle can't be described independently. Even when separated by large distances, these particles remain instantaneously connected. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance, and it's a phenomenon that continues to puzzle scientists today. These quantum concepts challenge our understanding of reality in ways that echo many traditional spiritual ideas. For centuries, various spiritual traditions have spoken about the interconnectedness of all things, the role of consciousness in shaping reality, and the existence of non-physical realms or dimensions. As we delve deeper into quantum physics, we find intriguing parallels with these spiritual concepts. One area where quantum physics and spirituality seem to intersect is in the role of consciousness. In quantum experiments, scientists have observed that the act of observation can affect the outcome of an experiment. This is known as the observer effect. Some interpret this to mean that consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping reality, an idea that resonates with many spiritual teachings. The quantum concept of entanglement also has interesting spiritual parallels. The idea that particles can remain instantaneously connected regardless of distance is reminiscent of spiritual notions of oneness and unity. Many spiritual traditions teach that all of existence is fundamentally interconnected and that separateness is an illusion. Quantum entanglement provides a scientific framework that seems to support this view. Quantum physics also raises profound questions about the nature of reality itself. The principle of superposition in quantum mechanics suggests that a particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously until it's observed. This has led some to propose the existence of multiple realities or parallel universes. Such ideas bear a striking resemblance to spiritual teachings about the illusory nature of our perceived reality and the existence of higher or alternate dimensions of existence. The quantum world also challenges our conventional understanding of time and space. At the quantum level, time doesn't always flow in a linear fashion from past to present to future. Some quantum phenomena appear to operate outside of time as we understand it. This aligns with spiritual perspectives that view time as an illusion and speak of an eternal present or timeless realm of existence. As we explore these connections between quantum physics and spirituality, it's important to note that we're not suggesting that quantum physics proves spiritual concepts. Rather, we're observing intriguing parallels that might point to a deeper understanding of reality that bridges the scientific and spiritual worldviews. One area where these parallels are being explored practically is in the field of healing. Some researchers are investigating whether quantum effects might play a role in biological systems, including the human body. This has led to speculation about potential connections between quantum processes and spiritual healing practices. While much of this research is still in its early stages, it opens up exciting possibilities for understanding the mind-body connection and the nature of healing. Meditation is another area where quantum concepts and spiritual practices intersect. Studies have shown that meditation can have measurable effects on brain activity. Some researchers have proposed quantum interpretations of meditative states, suggesting that meditation might allow practitioners to access quantum levels of consciousness. While these ideas are still speculative, they offer intriguing avenues for further research into the nature of consciousness and its relationship to the physical world. As we look to the future, the field of quantum spirituality continues to evolve. Ongoing research in quantum physics is constantly revealing new insights into the nature of reality. At the same time, spiritual practitioners are finding new ways to integrate scientific understanding into their practices. This convergence of science and spirituality has the potential to lead to new paradigms of understanding ourselves and the universe. So how can we apply these concepts in our daily lives? While much of quantum physics operates at scales far removed from our everyday experience, the insights it provides can still inform our worldview and practices. For instance, the quantum principle of interconnectedness can inspire us to consider our relationships with others and the world around us more deeply. The observer effect can encourage us to reflect on how our perceptions and beliefs might be shaping our reality. One simple exercise you can try is to spend a few moments each day contemplating the vastness and complexity of the universe. Consider that the same fundamental forces that govern the behavior of subatomic particles also shape the largest structures in the cosmos. Reflect on how you, as a conscious observer, fit into this grand picture. This practice can help foster a sense of wonder and connection with the universe. Another way to explore these concepts is through mindfulness practices. By paying close attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations, you can begin to observe the constantly changing nature of your inner experience. This can provide a practical understanding of concepts like uncertainty and impermanence, which are key in both quantum physics and many spiritual traditions. It's important to keep an open mind. The field of quantum physics is still evolving, and our understanding of consciousness and spirituality continues to grow. What we've discussed in this video represents current thinking and speculation, but new discoveries may change our perspective in the future. The intersection of quantum physics and spirituality offers a rich area for exploration and discovery. It challenges us to question our assumptions about the nature of reality and our place in the universe. Whether you approach this topic from a scientific or spiritual perspective, or a combination of both, it offers the potential for profound insights and personal growth. We encourage you to continue learning and exploring these concepts. Read books on quantum physics and spirituality, attend lectures or workshops, or engage in discussions with others who share your interest. Remember, the goal isn't necessarily to find definitive answers, but to engage in the process of questioning and discovery. As you delve deeper into quantum spirituality, you might find that it changes how you view yourself and the world around you. You might develop a greater appreciation for the mystery and wonder of existence. You might find new ways to connect with others and the universe at large, and you might discover new depths to your own consciousness and potential. The exploration of quantum spirituality is not just an intellectual exercise. It has the potential to profoundly impact how we live our lives and interact with the world. By bridging the gap between science and spirituality, we open up new possibilities for understanding and growth. For instance, the quantum concept of entanglement might inspire us to consider our connections with others more deeply. If particles can remain instantaneously connected across vast distances, might we too be more deeply connected than we realize? This perspective could lead to greater empathy and compassion in our interactions with others. The uncertainty principle in quantum physics reminds us that there are limits to what we can know and predict. This can be a valuable lesson in humility and openness. It encourages us to remain curious and open to new possibilities rather than clinging rigidly to our existing beliefs and assumptions. The observer effect in quantum experiments suggests that the act of observation can influence reality at the quantum level. While we can't directly control quantum particles with our minds, this principle might encourage us to consider how our perceptions and beliefs shape our experience of reality. It invites us to take responsibility for our thoughts and attitudes, recognizing that they play a role in creating our lived experience. Quantum superposition, the idea that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed, offers an intriguing parallel to spiritual concepts of potential and manifestation. It suggests that reality might be more fluid and full of possibilities than we typically assume. This perspective can be empowering, encouraging us to explore our own potential and the myriad possibilities in our lives. The non-linear nature of time in the quantum realm echoes spiritual teachings about living in the present moment. If time isn't the rigid, linear progression we typically perceive it to be, it invites us to reconsider our relationship with past, present, and future. This can lead to a greater appreciation for the present moment and a more flexible approach to time in our lives. As we explore these parallels between quantum physics and spirituality, it's crucial to maintain a balance between openness and critical thinking. While the connections are intriguing, we must be careful not to jump to unfounded conclusions or make claims that aren't supported by evidence. The goal is to use these parallels as a source of inspiration and a starting point for deeper exploration, not as definitive proof of spiritual concepts. It's also important to recognize that quantum physics, while profound, doesn't negate the laws of classical physics that govern our everyday world. The quantum realm operates at scales far smaller than we can directly perceive. While quantum effects may have larger scale implications, we can't simply apply quantum rules to macroscopic objects and expect the same results. That said, the insights from quantum physics do challenge us to expand our understanding of reality. They suggest that the universe is far more complex, interconnected, and mysterious than we might have previously thought. This expanded perspective can enrich both our scientific understanding and our spiritual awareness. For those interested in exploring quantum spirituality further, there are many avenues for learning and growth. Books that explore the intersection of quantum physics and spirituality can provide a deeper dive into these concepts. Documentaries and online courses can offer visual explanations of complex quantum phenomena. Meditation and mindfulness practices can provide experiential ways to explore consciousness and perception. It's also valuable to engage in discussions with others who are interested in these topics. Sharing ideas and perspectives can lead to new insights and a broader understanding. However, it's important to approach these discussions with an open mind and respect for differing viewpoints. As you explore quantum spirituality, you might find that it raises as many questions as it answers. This is part of the beauty of this field of inquiry. It reminds us that there is always more to learn and discover about ourselves and the universe we inhabit. The exploration of quantum spirituality can be a deeply personal journey. How these concepts resonate with you and how you integrate them into your life will be unique to your own experiences and perspective. Some might find that quantum concepts enhance their existing spiritual beliefs, while others might use them as a bridge to explore spirituality from a more scientific standpoint. One of the most powerful aspects of quantum spirituality is its potential to foster a sense of wonder and awe. The strange and counterintuitive nature of quantum phenomena reminds us that reality is far more mysterious and marvelous than we often assume. This sense of wonder can be a powerful antidote to the mundane concerns of everyday life, helping us maintain a broader perspective. Moreover, the parallels between quantum physics and spiritual concepts can help bridge the perceived gap between science and spirituality. Too often, these fields are seen as opposed to each other, but quantum spirituality suggests that they might be different approaches to understanding the same underlying reality. This integration of scientific and spiritual perspectives can lead to a more holistic worldview. As we continue to explore quantum spirituality, it's exciting to consider what new discoveries and insights might emerge. Advances in quantum physics could lead to new ways of understanding consciousness, reality, and our place in the universe. At the same time, spiritual practices might offer new ways to explore and interpret quantum phenomena. Quantum spirituality offers a fascinating lens through which to view ourselves and the universe. It challenges us to expand our understanding of reality, consciousness, and interconnectedness. While it doesn't provide all the answers, it opens up new questions and avenues for exploration. As you continue on your own journey of discovery, remember to stay curious, open-minded, and critical in your thinking. Quantum spirituality is not about accepting any particular belief system, but about exploring the profound questions raised by both quantum physics and spiritual traditions. Whether you're a scientist, a spiritual seeker, or simply someone curious about the nature of reality, quantum spirituality offers rich territory for exploration. It reminds us that the universe is far more wonderful and mysterious than we often realize, and that there is always more to learn and discover. So as you go about your day, take a moment to consider the quantum nature of reality. Reflect on the interconnectedness of all things, the role of consciousness in shaping reality, and the vast potential that exists in every moment. Allow these ideas to inspire you, to expand your perspective, and to deepen your appreciation for the incredible universe we inhabit. The exploration of quantum spirituality is not just an intellectual exercise, it's an invitation to live more consciously, to approach life with greater wonder and openness, and to recognize the profound interconnectedness of all existence. As you continue to learn and grow, you may find that your understanding of yourself and the universe expands in ways you never imagined possible. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of quantum spirituality. We hope this video has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to delve deeper into these fascinating concepts. Remember, the journey of discovery is ongoing, and each of us has the potential to contribute to our collective understanding of the nature of reality. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay open to the wonder and mystery of existence.